Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names. Are you ready to learn something amazing? The beautiful name we're learning today is Al-Mujeeb. Can you say it with me? Al-Mujeeb? Al-Mujeeb means the one who answers. Allah is always listening to us and answers our prayers. Isn't that wonderful? When we make dua, Allah is always listening. We can pray to Allah anytime when we're happy, sad, or need help. Let me tell you about a boy named Sammy. One day, Sammy was feeling worried about his first day at his new school. Sammy remembered that Allah is Al-Mujeeb, so he made dua asking Allah to help him feel brave and make new friends. After making dua, Sammy felt much better. Remember, children, Allah is Al-Mujeeb. He always listens to our prayers and answers them in the best way. Sometimes the answer comes quickly, and sometimes Allah has a better plan for us. So whenever you need anything, big or small, remember that Allah is Al-Mujeeb, the one who answers. Make dua, and Allah will always listen to you.